Hi guys, Steph here. Right, what do we have today? Well, we have What's in the Box? Oh dear. Yes, I always say it sounds like a game show. But normally it's me actually rummaging through the boxes and I find something that I think, wow, that deserves to be restored and it deserves to be reviewed. However, in this particular case, I received a email from a viewer who asked me, he said, Steph, is such a pen still available? As I'm interested, well, it was actually two pens he was interested in. One has already been sold and is now living in America. But the second one, I checked in the box. Oh, and yes, that particular pen was available. And the pen he was actually talking about was from it was back in February in a pen hall. And here it is, look at that. There it is, a lovely Conway Stewart in the original box and everything. And yes, he asked me, was it available? And I said, yes, it's available. I've still got it and it's available subject to a full service. So he said, yes, I'll have a bit of that, please. So I've actually, to be quite honest with you, as you can see by the box, superb condition. I think that's the box number, is it? Yeah, 31. It's in superb condition. And to be quite honest with you, if we look at this little note again that came with it, to Mavis, wishing you every success in your new job from all your friends in the accounts department. I don't think Mavis actually used the pen, so she got this lovely pen set as a gift, but judging by what I see on the pen and the pencil, it has had little if no use. The only thing being is that the sack in the pen, as you would expect from a pen from around about 1950s, because this set I'm dating, well, yeah, mid 1950s through to the very early 1960s. And what it is, it's a fountain pen. This is a Conway Stewart number 12 made in England. Comes in this beautiful green marbling with sort of brown gold veins running throughout the pen. And as I said, superb condition as it was. I've just simply replaced, well, the sack was all crumbly, fell apart when I took the pen apart. We've put a brand new sack in it. We've given the pen a little bit of a polish and it's looking absolutely gorgeous, as you can see. So there you have it, Conway Stewart number 12, made in England. Very, very nice indeed. Comes with this quite a thick cap band, as you can see. Very recognisable Conway Stewart, what we term as a diamond clip. Okay, and then to the very top there we've got this peaked gold stud or finial to the very top of the cap, which sort of matches the sort of peaked end of the cap, of the barrel, as you can see there. But all in all, as I said, in beautiful, beautiful condition. Okay, let's unscrew the cap for you. Okay, let's show you the pen in numerous different angles. You can see it's got a little section there in black. The thread's lovely and clean. And then we've got the nib, which you can see is the correct nib. It's a Conway Stewart 14 carat. And then to the very bottom, it's got 3N. N for November, which is the correct nib for this specific pen. And then if we turn it round, you can see the feed. Okay, everything lovely and clean, and it's ready to go. Okay, to the new owner, and that new owner is Marcus. So well done, Marcus, for spotting this set back in February, and well done for making inquiry. As I always say to people, if you don't ask, you don't know. So Marcus made the inquiry, the pen and pencil was available, so well done to you, Marcos or Marcus. So here's the matching pencil, and if we show you, let's get it right. Is it there? Just bear with me. Let me just check. Yeah, there it is. So you can see the imprint there, and it reads Nippy No. 3, Conway Stewart, London. To the bottom there, just below it. And then if I turn it around a little bit more, there we go. We've got Made in England, Pat applied 4. Okay. Still has this gorgeous diamond clip, as you can see there. Has this turning sort of knob in black to the very top of the pen, sorry, to the pencil there. And then we've got this black area to the cone, and this gold coloured end of the cone, as you can see there. And what we do, we simply turn the knob to the bottom, and there you go. You can see the lead comes out of the pencil, and if we turn it the other way, it'll retract back into the pencil. So I've serviced the pencil, there's lead in it now, full working order. I've serviced the pen, we've put a brand new sack in it, so it's in full working order. Now, I'm not going to fill the pen to test it, because I'm sure Marcus is sat there waiting with his favourite ink to fill the pen and enjoy the pen and write with it. So what we'll do, we'll just simply do a dip test. So I'll dip it into the ink, and let's just see how it writes. So what we've got is, we've got, what did we say? We've got a Conway Stewart, and as we said, this is the number 12. Writing very nicely. There's no flex in the nib. It's a little bit on this, just a little bit springy, but very nice indeed. There's no flex as such, so we're not saying that it's got a flexy nib, but writing very, very nicely. Okay, so that's the pen. Let's just give it a little bit of wipe. We'll clean that after the video. Ready for shipping the pen. And then again, we've got the pencil. Again, if we just turn it for you, you can see the lead comes out of the pencil. So we've got Conway Stewart Nippy. Did we say it was a number 3? And there we go, writing very nicely indeed. Okay, so there we have it. We're going to keep it quite short. So we've got the pen and the pencil, the Conway Stewart, and once again, well done to Marcus for spotting these and for inquiring. There we go. As I said, if you don't ask, you don't know. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen and the pencil as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment down below. Give the video a thumbs up if you will as well. Don't forget to subscribe. But for now, I'm just going to say Slavo Ukraini from me and this lovely set. Bye-bye for now.